What if I told you that staying up under bright lights could speed up aging and switching off by 9 p.m. might help keep your skin and mind younger? Here's what most people don't realize. Artificial light, especially from bright white bulbs and screens, confuses your body's internal clock. Your brain thinks it's still daytime, delaying melatonin, the sleep hormone that helps your body recover, repair, and slow cellular aging. Studies show that turning off bright lights around 9 p.m. helps your body start producing melatonin naturally. This means deeper sleep, better skin repair, sharper brain function, and healthier metabolism. It's one of the easiest anti-aging habits you can start tonight. Let's break it down. What do you get when you power down early? Smoother skin, because more collagen gets repaired overnight. A clearer mind, thanks to better memory consolidation. Healthier weight, since your hunger hormones stay more balanced. And stronger immunity from deeper restorative sleep. All from one small lighting change. Ready to try this? Start dimming lights after dinner. Just switch to lamps with warm bulbs. Avoid overhead white lights and harsh LEDs. Use amber night lights if you need them for safety. And set an alarm or reminder at 9 p.m. Lights out, tech down. Within days, you'll feel the difference. Powering down your house lights by 9 p.m. is a simple way to work with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. Try it for a week and watch how your sleep, skin, and focus improve. Subscribe to Biovate for more night hacks that help you age gracefully.